Trying to print, but the paper won't go in? This is a common issue. Epson printer not feeding paper. Let me show you a quick fix. First, turn off your printer immediately. Okay, so in about 70% of Epson printers that won't feed paper, the problem usually comes from the paper tray area. So the first step is to remove all the paper from the tray. Then tilt the printer to check the paper tray area. Use a flashlight and inspect it carefully. Make sure there's nothing inside that could block the paper when the printer tries to feed it. And as you can see, I found a USB drive stuck inside. The easiest way to remove it is by using a stick with double-sided tape attached to the tip, like this. Okay, now let's try printing again. And it works. The printer can feed paper normally again. Have a nice day and happy printing.